Oh, I
photo.
had so many photos on it, but they're all so hilarious.
Because-
There's some inappropriate for the internet as well.
Because you were like, why isn't I keep getting really shit unfocused photos, and I was like, oh, you got to put it on this one, and it's one that takes it with a flash and without a flash, so you get two photos.
No, I actually think it's just my camera.
So I took like 50 photos, but really there was like 100.
Yeah, I know. And because I know Christy was like, I have that camera, but she has the exact same like pink one. And Christy's like, I have that camera, because she thought it was hers
away.
sitting on the table. She was like, who got my camera out of my bag? I was like, that's mine. Fuck off.
Do you talk to her anymore?
Yeah.
I only talked to her on the internet. I probably talked to her. Still okay.
Flashed your eyes.
Who's in his car?
The Shane fella, or whatever his name is. Chris's friend. The one that looks like Ryan.
I don't know who he is.
Yeah, that's
He's just here. Do something awesome. Like, get away or something.
like,
Go back there.
Say cheese!